A lot of people are having issue with this follow content monetization policy on Facebook. So many people have met the other 4 criteria. It's remaining Facebook to tick that follow content monetization. That is the only thing that is remaining for them, and they are really worried. I know how it feels when you already have your 60,000 minutes, you already have your 5K followers, you've already met all other requirements, and then you are waiting and wondering why Facebook have not yet ticked your follow content monetization policy. Do not worry, you are in the right channel, because I'm going to tell you what you need to do, because I did this exact thing and it came out well for me. I woke up on the 12th of July and I checked my dashboard, and I was able to see that Facebook has ticked my follow content monetization policy, and that is why I'm sharing this video with you. So I advise you to watch to the very end, because at the end of this video I'm going to teach you something that you need to do. You get? So keep watching. Now, the very first thing I will tell you is this: check your page or your profile. For those that are using professional mode, check your profile very well. For those that are using page, check your page very well. Do you have other people's content on your page? If you know there are videos that you know you did not create yourself, you did not create that video yourself, you just went to take the video somewhere, maybe you reacted to it or you did not react, I will advise you to go and delete it. Delete it. You are not yet monetized. Try and get monetized first before you start using other people's content. So all you need to do, cross-check your page, cross-check your professional mode, and see if there's any video that is not yours, that is in your channel, that is in your page or your profile. Delete it. Delete it. Do you know why you have to delete it? You are looking for something. When you get that thing, then you say you are the type that like using other people's content, you like reacting. When you are monetized, you can start reacting. But for now that you are not monetized, you have to take it, like, you have to be careful, so that you'll be able to meet with all the requirements. Now, that is the first thing. Check your page, check your profile if you have any content that is not yours, and also create original content. Create your own content. They love it when you are creative. Create your original content. That is number one. So if after you have checked your channel, you have checked your page, you have checked your profile, and all the content there are yours, follow this second step. You are going to report the problem to Facebook. At the end of this video, that's why I say you should watch to the end. You will see where I did the illustration on how you can report the problem. I did the illustration at the end. So you report the problem. This was what I did. After I checked my page, I saw that I've been posting my content. I post my original content. I don't post other people's content. Do you know why? Because I'm not yet monetized. When I'm monetized, I can say, okay, let me be reacting sometimes, react to people's video. But for now, I'm trying to meet a target, so I don't really need to start using other people's content for now. So that was the second thing I did. Now, guys, report the problem to Facebook team. They will look into it. Report it to them. I already did a tutorial on that, and it is at the end of this video. So when you watch to the end, you'll be able to see it. I reported just once. The thing is, I started posting on the 28th of June on my professional mode. I started posting on the 28th. So let's say it was like 2 weeks later, that place got ticked. You understand? It doesn't take too much time. So just report the problem. And I reported the problem, I think, a week too, before they tick that place. So it doesn't take time. Report the problem. Make sure that another person's content is not in your page. So that is it. Now, thirdly, this one that I did, if you can do it, believe me when I say they will tick that place for you. If you can do these 3 things I just told you, they will tick that place for you. There is no 2 ways about it. Don't pay anybody any money. So people are busy saying, pay me, I will do it. They are not the ones to do it. It's only Facebook that can do it for you. So the last thing that I did was I was going live. I was going live every morning. You see this live stream, it's not a must that you must go live 2 hours. It's not a must you must go live 1 hour. It's not a must you must go live 3 hours or 30 minutes or 20 minutes. You can go live for 5 minutes. Yes, you can just do a video. Hey, my fans, how are you all doing? How are you? I'm about to go to work. All right, guys, have a nice day. That is it. So I was always going, like before I leave the house for work, I go live in the morning. I can sometimes for 14 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes. So I was going live. I think I started this live on the first, I think so, on the 1st of July. First or maybe second, I started, and I was going live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I was like, I did it every day. And guys, guess what? On the 12th of July, I just woke up and I saw that my follow content monetization policy has been ticked. Like, as we speak now, it's now 4/5. What I'm looking for now is my watch time, and that one is another one on its own. But now I'm very sure, and I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm looking for. Do you understand? Compared to the fact that I'm seeing that times something like you are not following content monetization policy. So I was feeling somehow then, but now I can boldly say I have won. Yeah, let me use that word. So guys, all I'm just trying to tell you is this: try and be going live. If you can be going live every day, go. The earlier the better. The more you do it, the more they will rectify it for you. You understand? So the three things that I listed is this: number one, make sure you post your original content, and if you have any content in your page or your profile that is not your own, delete it. Number two, you can report the problem to them. The illustration is at the end of this video. You will see it very soon. Number three, try going live. These are the things I did that helped me. Though I was not guilty of number one, I was not guilty at all, because I was always posting my content. So the first thing I did was to report the problem, and I was also going live, and they rectify it. If they can do it for me, they can also do it for you. So try this and you see how it will work out for you. So guys, watch the tutorial on how you can report the problem to Facebook. All right guys, thanks for watching.
You click on your photo at the right hand corner of your phone, and all you need to do is just to swipe down, and you see where they wrote help and support. So under help and support, you just look down, you see report a problem. Click on report a problem, click on it, and then see what they wrote. They said go back to where you saw an issue and check your phone. So when you go to that place where they wrote follow content monetization policy, you just go there and screenshot it. After screenshotting it, you can come here. So you can actually screenshot it yourself. Just do it there and come here. So take a screenshot. Just screenshot it. I'm giving you an example now. Screenshot it, and then all you need to do is to go back to that place. Click on the report a problem, and then you can see what the rule said. Report about abuse or spam should not be submitted here. Low contrast detention, continue to report. So you click on continue to report a problem, click on it, and then just hold on a bit. I'm teaching you how to report a problem to Facebook. So if you are having this issue, you can do where to report, and they will look into it. So guys, look at what they wrote. So do where to read all these things here. So when you are done reading, so I'll just click on don't include, and then select a product. So actually, if you are reporting something from your page, click on page. If you are reporting something from your profile, click on profile. So I'll click on profile because mine is profile. I'll click on profile and look at this place here, describe the issue. Then you can click on it, and then you describe the issue. And when you want to describe it, make sure you write it in a polite way by writing, dear Facebook team, I have been posting my original content. You understand? So just write to them and explain. Then when you are done, you click on this upload from phone, click on it, and you take it to your photos. Then you click on the image that you screenshotted, you click on it, and when you are done, look at this share button, this sign here, just click on it, and then you have submitted the issue to them. That is all. That is how you report a problem. But just write in a polite way, provided you've described the issue, then add your image that you want to add, and then you are good to go. So guys, that is it. That is how you report a problem. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share to others so that they will see it too. Thank you for watching. Bye.